Welcome to Simply Micromed. Today we are going to discuss about the bacterial morphology. The term morphology comes from the Greek called structure of living organism. In this chapter, we will discuss about the morphology of bacteria, mainly the external appearance of bacterial cell, including shape, arrangement, and size. Bacteria. Bacteria is a unicellular prokaryotic microorganism without chlorophyll. They do not show true branching except actinomyces bacteria. So it is clear unicellular means single-celled organism. Prokaryotic microorganism means it is different from eukaryotic. Mainly it lacks true nucleus without chlorophyll. Without chlorophyll means there are some unicellular organisms are there, mainly algae that contain chlorophyll, but the bacteria lacks chlorophylls and that do not show true branching except actinomyces. Actinomyces is also a bacteria. When comparing to this actinomyces, all other organisms lacks true branching. Classification of bacteria based on shape. Based upon the shape of the bacteria, we can classify bacteria into cocci, bacilli, vibrios, spirilla, spirochetes, actinomyces, and mycoplasma. Cocci. In Greek, coccus means berry. It's an oval or spherical shaped bacteria. In this picture, you can see the spherical shaped bacteria. There is the gram stain picture of Staphylococcus. The cocci is arranged in a cluster, and here you can see some single cocci also we can see in this gram stain smear. Bacilli. Bacilli in Latin called bacillum, called as stick, is a rod-shaped bacteria. This is the gram stain picture of Anthrax bacilli. Bacilli, the rod-shaped bacteria. Vibrios, or comma-shaped bacteria. So Vibrio, here you can see this is a comma-shaped or curved bacteria. And this is the gram-stained picture of Vibrio cholerae. This is the causative agent of cholera. Spirilla. Spirilla is a rigid spherical form of curved bacteria. You can see this is the spherical form or rigid spherical shaped bacteria, or it's a curved bacteria. The example is Spirillum voltanus. Spirochetes. In Greek, spirilla means coiled and chetes means hair. So spirochetes is also a curve-shaped bacteria. That means it's a coiled hair-like structure you can see here in this morphology. The example of the spirochetes are Treponema pallidum. It's a causative agent for syphilis. Curved bacilli. The curved bacilli are mainly three types. First one is a vibrio or comma-shaped bacteria. Spirillum, that is a rigid spiral form of bacteria. And spirochetes are spiral or coiled hair-like structure bacteria. And these three are curved bacteria. The example for this vibrio are Vibrio cholerae. Spirillum is Spirillum voltanus. Spirochetes Treponema pallidum. Actinomyces. In Greek, acti means rice, myce means fungus, that is called as ray-like fungus. Generally, bacteria are unicellular organism without showing true branching except its actinomyces. And these actinomyces are resembles with fungus because fungus will show branched filament structure. Mycoplasma. Mycoplasma are called cell wall deficient bacteria because the bacterioplasma doesn't have proper morphology or proper shape and structure due to the lack of this cell wall. And this is also called as cell wall deficient bacteria, mycoplasma. Based on arrangement of bacterial cell, cocci and bacilli are classified into many forms. That is, cocci in pair, we will call it as diplococci. Cocci in chain are called streptococci. Cocci in group of 4 called as tetrads. Group of 8 we will call it as sarcina. In clusters we will call it as staphylococci. And bacilli is also divided into various arrangement. We can classify chain called as Bacillus, example is Bacillus anthrax. Pairs is example is Klebsiella pneumonia. Or cuneiform is example is Corynebacterium diphtheria or Corynebacterium, and that are arranged in cuneiform pattern. Cocci in pair. Cocci in pair we will call it as diplococci. Diplo means 2. Cocci means that is the shape of bacteria. So here you can see this is the morphology of the diplococci. That means the bacteria, or you can say that oval or spherical shaped bacteria which are arranged in pair. We will call it as diplococci. Examples are Streptococcus pneumonia. This is the gram-stained picture of Streptococcus pneumonia. Diplococci. Chain. That means the bacteria or the spherical shaped bacteria which are arranged in chain-like structure. We will call it as streptococci or the cocci in chair. And this is the morphology or the gram-stained picture of Streptococcus pyogenes. That's the example. Streptococcus pyogenes are bacteria, the cocci, which is arranged in chain. Group of 4. That means here you can see the picture of cocci, that is spherical shaped bacteria, arranged in group of 4s or tetrads. That we will call it as tetrad. Cocci arranged in group of 4s. The example is Micrococcus rosinus. This is the picture of morphology or gram-stained picture of Micrococcus rosinus. Group of 8, it's also called as sarcina. Here you can see the picture. The sarcina ventriculi, this arranged, the cocci arranged in group of 8. Cluster. The cocci arranged in clusters is the example is staphylococci. The staphylococci is arranged in clusters or grape-like arrangement. You can see in this morphology. This the morphology of Staphylococcus aureus. Coming to bacilli, the bacilli are also called as rod-shaped bacteria. And here you can see in this picture, the bacilli in pair, the Klebsiella pneumonia gram-stained picture. The Klebsiella pneumonia is a gram-negative organism which is seen in pairs. Chain. Here you can see this is the morphology of Bacillus anthrax. Bacillus anthrax is a gram-positive organism which is arranged in chain. Cuneiform. Cuneiform is also called as Chinese letter pattern. Or you can see this is the morphology of Corynebacteria diphtheria. This is look like a Chinese letter pattern. And this is one of the arrangement of bacilli, that is rod-shaped bacteria, arranged in cuneiform pattern. The example is Corynebacterium diphtheria. This is the Albert Stein picture of Corynebacterium diphtheria.
Subscribe to Simply Micromed. If you're curious about medical microbiology, infectious diseases, and unraveling the mysteries of tiny organisms, hit that subscribe button. Join our community of science enthusiasts, and let's explore the microscopic world together. Remember, knowledge is contagious. Spread it by liking and subscribing. Thank you.